What's your K-It? Introducing the Kut It Tool. Use the Kut It to remove sod around the top of sprinkler heads. The heavy-duty blades easily cut through thick grass and hard soils, and the blades are replaceable. The driver piece accepts a 3/4 inch socket or crescent wrench. This 3-piece tool makes performing maintenance on sprinkler heads a snap. You can even use a drill with a socket driver to operate the Kut It. The sod usually comes out in a single piece, making it simple to replace when the job is complete. The Kut It tool has a built-in depth gauge to prevent digging too deep, so you don't have to worry about damaging underground piping or risers. The other side of the Kut It tool has a head wrench to assist unscrewing the top of most rotors. Put it over the top of the sprinkler head, insert the driver down in the Kut It, and use a socket wrench with an extension to turn it. And the Kut It is also designed to work by hand. This 3-piece tool makes performing maintenance on sprinkler heads a snap. The Kut It makes such a clean hole, and the cut sod portion is so easy to replace. When you're done, the grass will look pristine, like no work was done there at all. Don't dig it, cut it. Order your Kut It tool today.